circle. Next, you have rectangle. What do you call this one? This is triangle. Square. Next, you have pentagon. Okay, Brent, this is circle, rectangle, triangle, square, and pentagon. Okay, you match. Square, you have pentagon. Next, you have circle, rectangle. Next, you have triangle, circle, you have square, pentagon, you have circle, rectangle, pentagon, you have triangle, square, rectangle, and the last one is triangle. Brent here. Okay, next. Very good. Oh, you pull it. Okay, next. Here. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Later. Okay, next. Okay, almost done. Okay, last one. Very good. And here. Number 2. Verse number 3. Very good. Next, number 4. Number 5. Verse number 5. Number 5. Next, number 6. Brent, eyes here. Brent. Number 6. 6. Next, number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. Next, 11. 12. 13. Look, 13. Next, 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Next, number 21. Next, 22. 23. 24. Next, 24 is number 25. Is that 25? That is 30. Wait. 25. Next, 26. 27. 27. This one, 27. 27 here. Next, 28. 29. And 30. Very good. You have triangle. Next, you have trapezoid. Very good. Next, you have parallelogram. Here. Look at your work. Go. Like this. Like this. Go. Shoot. Shoot, shoot. Next, you have flower. You have square. Okay, next, you have oval. Next, you have diamond. Here. Very good. Next, you have star. Here, star. Octagon. Very good. Okay, next, you have hexagon. Pentagon. Very good. Okay, good job. Color red. Next, you have color green. You have color blue. Color orange.
So this
And color yellow. Okay, Brent? This is color yellow, orange, blue, green, and color red. You have color red. Next, you have color orange, color yellow, color green. You have color red, color orange. Oh, where do you put this one? Orange here. Color blue, color orange. Where do you put orange? Orange. Yellow. Color blue. Color red. You have yellow. Color green. Color red. Look at your work. Color yellow. Color green. Orange. Very good. Where do you put this one? Very good. Green. Color blue. Another one, blue. Very good. This? What is this? Say mango. Mango. Okay, next you have watermelon. What do you call this one? This is strawberry. Strawberry. Next you have, say it, banana. Very good. This is cherry. Say it, cherry. Very good. You have pear. Very good. Next you have, what is this? Apple. Very good. You have grapes. Very good. Next you have orange. Next you have avocado. You have pineapple. You have peach. What is this again? Say it. Peach. And the last one is kiwi. Very good. You have cab or taxi. Shoot. Next you have pineapple. Next you have carrot. Very good. Next you have motorcycle. This is grapes. You have lemon. Very good. Next you have peach. You have strawberry. Next you have dump truck. This is milk. You have bone. Next, you have sheep. Okay, very good. kiwi. Much.
Kiwi.
Next, you have pineapple. You have mango. Peach. You have avocado. Next, you have orange. You have cherry. Where do you put cherry? Where is it, Brent? Look. Here. Very good. Next, you have pear. You have grapes. Next, you have apple. Strawberry. Watermelon. And the last one is banana. Very different. Color brown, match. Color orange. Next, you have color blue. Next, this is color green. Color black. Next, you have color gray. Where is gray? Here. This is color red. Color yellow. Where is yellow? Next, you have color violet. Color pink.
Pink.
Oh, where do you put pink? Brent, here. Look. Okay, last one. Color white.
What?
Where do you put this one? Go. Very good. Say gray. Okay, next. This is color. What color is this? White. Very good. This is color. Look at here. Violet. Next, this is color. Pink. Very good. How about this one? Color. Yellow. Next, color. Orange. Very good. Color. Red. Very good. Next, color. Brown. This is color. Green. Color. Black. Next, color. Blue. Very good.